somewhere over the rainbow.
You would think this is the Great White North, but this is actually the Washington D.C. area.
Dreams that you dream of once in a love.
This here is a local trash can, and I don't know if you can see it compared to my height, but I mean, we're talking, I'm not sure how much that is, but it's got to be at least 1.5 feet of snow that we've got here in December waiting for Christmas. That's a lot of snow. There's a car with 20 inches on top of it.
Come true. Oh, well, someday I wish upon a star and wake up where
we have just had about 24 inches of snowfall, and as you can see, we've even got some cars that are venturing out. But this is unheard of. This has not been like this in this area in the last 30 years. In December, it hasn't been like this in the last 7 years. So it's pretty snowy. We've got icicles forming. Got some pretty icicles forming just since last night. But this has been a beautiful way to enter into Christmas, which is just a couple days away. So Washington D.C., very snowy and beautiful. It's hard if you're shoveling. Today, we send you greetings.